Hey guys, check out this chainsaw that just came in. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we got the screwdriver, instructions. Look how nice everything is packaged. This is the handle. The over pieces. Your bar. Your chains. 2 bars. 2 chains. The charger. I'm really impressed on how everything is packaged in bubble wrap. Alright, let's see about putting it together now. Alright, let's see how this does on these big logs. As you see here, this is a pretty big log. Bigger than my finger. Right through it. Do it again one more time. So we know it went through those big ones, so you know it's going to cut these little ones without a problem. Really impressed. It's a nice big saw, 21 volts, able to cut through those big logs, small logs. Let's do the big log one more time. Really nice, clean cut, 21 volt. Really impressed with it.